it's ready now. We can start the movie. Here.
Thank you. I'm so excited. This movie is supposed to be the best. I'm gonna start the movie now.
Okay.
Oh, my long hair got in the soup.
Oh, that's disgusting. I'm so lucky I have short hair, so I don't have that problem.
Oh, I just hate my long hair sometimes. I'm gonna go wash it out.
Hurry, you're missing the movie. I'll pause it. Lily, we have to hurry.
I'm trying.
The store has a huge sale today. We can't be late.
I know. I just have to dry my hair. Come on. Long hair takes so long to dry.
All right, I'm done. I'll see you there, okay? Don't be late.
Okay. Finally, I can blow dry my hair. This long hair takes forever to dry.
Huh? Lily, are you just finishing drying your hair?
Yeah, my long hair took forever to dry. Wait, is the sale finished?
Yeah, I got all these for 50% off.
Hey! She's kind of cute. I'm gonna get her number. All right, got my phone. Let's do this. Hello? Excuse me?
Huh? Yes? Did you need something?
Whoa! Nothing. Bye.
What? What was that all about? Huh? Oh man, my headphones messed up my hair. Oh, short hair always does this. It's such a beautiful day, right, Lily?
Don't you think it's kind of hot? My long hair's making me sweaty.
I'm glad we don't have class until 11.
11? We have class at 10.
10? Oh no, we're gonna be late.
Where are they? It's almost time for class.
We're here.
Right on time. Get to your seats.
Yes, Professor.
Huh? Lily, why is your back so wet?
Really? I guess I'm sweating because of my long hair.
Here are your study guides. Does anyone else smell that?
Is it me? Sorry, Professor. I was just sweating a lot because of my long hair.
Just shower before next class, okay?
Okay. I'm so embarrassed.
Glad I have short hair.
Hey! You guys done in there yet?
Yeah, we're done. We're coming out right now.
About time.
The bathroom's all yours.
Thanks. Huh? Oh, why is there so much hair on the mirror? Oh, why are girls so nasty? Is this hair on my toothbrush too? Why do girls shed so much? Lily! Stacy!
What should I do with my hair? Ponytail? No. How about a bun? I don't like this one either. I'll just keep it like this. Alright, time for work.
Oh, my hair looks so boring. Maybe I can put it in a bun. Oh, I can't do it. What else could I do? Ponytail? No, that looks funny. Oh, I can't do anything with short hair. I'll just have to leave it like this.
I'm getting kind of sleepy. Time for bed. Oh, my hair's so annoying. I can't sleep on my side. This is better. I can't breathe. I can't even sleep because of my long hair. Do people with short hair have this problem too? I gotta cut all these up for lunch. Oh, my hair keeps bothering me.
Hey, Lily. Hey. What are you doing?
I'm just cutting up some vegetables for lunch.
Oh, Lily.
Oh no, I cut off my hair. My beautiful long hair is ruined. What am I gonna do?
I can help you. I can give you a haircut.
I guess I have to cut my hair now. Thanks for helping me, Stacy.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll make it look perfect.
Okay.
Hold still for me, okay?
Okay. Oh, my long hair.
Hey, it's looking pretty good. All right, I finished.
Oh, hey, my hair feels so light now.
Now you won't have long hair problems.
Thanks, my hair feels feels so different.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our long hair versus short hair video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.